And good afternoon and welcome everyone to the virtual red carpet for the award ceremony. Unfortunately, Ryan Seacrest and Ryan Dahl were not available this afternoon, but I have been blessed to have this opportunity to host the Live Well Jefferson Healthy Business Awards. As Alex mentioned, I am John LeBlanc and I am privileged to serve as the 2021 chair of the Jefferson Chamber and as Executive Vice President and Chief Operating Officer at Hibernia Bank. It's great to have so many representatives from the business community joining us today, and I hope you also had the opportunity to join us throughout the week. We've had some amazing speakers and the programs have really been beneficial, and I hope you had the opportunity to tune in. But the purpose of this part of our program today is to present the Healthy Business Awards. And the purpose of these awards is to highlight and celebrate members who are actively engaged in healthy initiatives in the workplace and promoting ideas for healthy change that can be implemented by everyone. Today, we especially want to honor 4 businesses that have been recognized this year. Before we do so, we'd like to thank our sponsors. Our presenting sponsor is Blue Cross Blue Shield, and they sponsor not only the Live Well Jefferson campaign, but also the Health and Wellness Summit this week. And then we'd like to thank our wellness patrons, and those patrons are Biz New Orleans, Entergy Louisiana, Event Producers Inc., Latrim LLC, Louisiana Public Health Institute, the Oxner Health System, West Jefferson Medical, and Tulane Lakeside. And on to our awards. Our awards are broken down to 3 categories this year. The first category is Most Creative. The second category is our Pivot category. And the third category are the Up-and-Comer Awards. And I mentioned earlier, these awards are intended to highlight and celebrate those members who are actively engaged in healthy initiatives in the workplace and providing ideas for healthy change that can be made by everyone. So if we move ahead one more slide, we'll go to our first award, which is for Most Creative. And this year, we actually had 2 companies that thought outside of the box to inspire wellness. And the first of those 2 companies is Palmisano LLC. Palmisano LLC is an innovative construction company that serves the New Orleans market and also has offices in Nashville and Salt Lake City. Wesley Palmisano, the founder of Palmisano LLC, believes that their wellness program builds camaraderie and that people working out together generally create an atmosphere of teamwork. And these 2 traits together lead to success in their business pursuits. More than 90% of the Palmisano employees participate in one or more of their programs. These programs include physical education in their on-campus gym, instructor-led workouts during working hours, and employee-led CrossFit classes. Other healthy initiatives include a healthy snack rack, annual flu shots, blood drives, and even COVID-19 vaccinations. Congratulations, Palmisano LLC, and we wish you continued success. And our next winner in the Most Creative category was Crescent Bank and Trust. Crescent Bank and Trust has their own wellness program, which they call Banking on Fitness. And this program takes a holistic approach to living well by including physical, nutritional, mental, and financial health components. One of the benefits of the program is an annual on-site free health screening for their employees. One of their employees was actually able to early identify cancer, and she credits the program with saving her life. So thank you, Crescent Bank, for providing that program and that service. Additionally, each year the company sponsors a bank-wide Crescent Classic, which is a step activity competition with various employee-created things like the blind referee. And my personal favorite, exercise. I thought you said extra fries. The employees enjoy the competition and sense of community created by the program. Congratulations, Crescent Bank and Trust, for all you're doing. Our next award is in the category of pivot. That's a word we've all heard quite a bit over 2020 and 2021. And with the Pivot Award, the Live Well Committee is trying to identify those companies that adapted their wellness programs to meet the new and varied needs of employees during the pandemic. And today we'd like to recognize one company that went above and beyond, and that company is Cintas. The wellness program at Cintas New Orleans was designed to keep their employee partners and their families safe, even when there was limited information available on COVID. At Cintas, they pride themselves on being a leader in the health and safety areas. Cintas was identified as a critical business during COVID and remained open throughout. Cintas supplied our community with COVID supplies ranging from face masks and gloves to disinfectant sprays and wipes. In addition, the company quickly implemented new standard operating procedures during COVID to help reduce the spread of infection. Congratulations, Cintas New Orleans, and thank you for your service to the community. And our final award of the day is our Up and Comer Award. And this award is for programs that have been in existence for 2 years or less. And the drum roll for the final award of the day, which goes to LCMC Health. As we all know, LCMC has been a leader in healthcare in our market for many years, serving the community through their campuses at East Jefferson, West Jefferson, Children's Hospital, Touro, New Orleans East Hospital, and University Medical Center. But today we want to recognize them for their Be Well Center, which was designed in January of 2021 and launched in April of 2021. In just a short amount of time, LCMC has been able to engage their employees, medical staff, and leadership across all of their 6 hospitals to create initiatives that will improve the personal and professional well-being of everyone in the LCMC family. The LCMC Be Well Center plays an integral role in assessing physician and allied health provider stress and burnout throughout the system. With feedback from their staff, the Be Well Center established 4 foundational pillars for employee health at the Be Well Center. And those 4 pillars are: number 1, an organizational culture of wellness; number 2, an efficient work environment; number 3, personal well-being; and number 4, peer support. We'd like to thank LCMC and the Be Well Center and congratulate them. And in closing this part of our presentation, I'd like to thank all of our award winners and nominees. We really have some amazing businesses in Jefferson Parish, and we thank everyone for what they've done this past year and probably the past 18 months to improve the health of their employees and the community.